Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 386, technical analysis of crypto and stocks. Now, if you are catching the stream live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Link's in the description. So there's a link to the amazing articles I'll cover here on this awesome stream. So on that note, as you guys know, I'm setting up the stream here on the side. I hope everything is running smooth. On my end, it just looks super choppy. So, Jake, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I know you're busy today. I know you have, kid weekend, parent duty, which is cool, man. Oh wait, not this weekend, right? It was last weekend. Ha. Haha. Caught myself there. Today you have programming weekend. Yay. I have grilling weekend. I got a grill. I actually got a queue on Sunday. Sunday queue, man. Hey, Steve, how's it going, man? Sorry, guys. Finishing setting up these things. Again, as you know, it takes me a little bit to set it up with the new way I think YouTube's doing things. But I'm here, man. I'm here. Here and ready to share, man. Ready to share, man. What? Okay, so I was about to go on Twitter to post that I'm live, and then this weird equipment shows up. Can you believe this thing? Look at this, man. Like, why would you wear this? For reals. Like, it just looks dumb. Weird. Anyways, posting that I'm going live. Again, thank you for being here on an awesome Friday night. Dude, Steve, I know it's super late for you, man. But thank you for being here, man, and giving support. Awesome support. I'll try to start soonest. Just, again, just working out some, like, very final details here. Pre-stream starting. I'm not going to put it on the Discord. Alright, I got to put it on the Discord, man. Videos. Oh, no. Snap. Not that. There we go. That's all, man. That's all we gotta do. While you tongue twisted. While you beef? No, man. It's gonna be regular beef. But they're gonna be some very, very nice ribs, bro. Like, it's a like 6 pound. Yeah, 6 pound rack that I'm gonna be cooking of like beef rib, dude. It's like huge, man. It's massive. They're like super loaded with meat, man. They're really thick, dude. I'm really excited for grilling those. They're gonna go slow, low and slow on the grill. So I think they're gonna be like about a 6 to 8 hour cooking time, and then about an hour resting time. So it's about 9 hours maybe of work that I have to do, which is gonna be cool. It's gonna be me for a while, dude. It's just me and the wife and the kids. So, but I'd rather do something good like that and then just have leftovers for other days. Like, some good meat rib sandwiches next day. Really good stuff. What is happening with crypto? Yes, I am drinking beer, by the way. Because why not? It's Friday. Gotta enjoy life. Market cap rejection of 395. Great. We're back to the old 100%, which is okay. Finding support there. Not a lot going on. Higher, higher, higher. Everything's good here. We're bought at 75.21 on the RSI, right? You love your sous vide and blowtorch, dude. I want to do sous vide. I just never, I never got around to buying equipment and actually grilling sous vide. Yesterday we lost 0.25% of market cap, approximately $972 million today. $1.42 billion coming in, which is good. Let's go check out Bitcoin dominance. Where's it at? 61.78%. We've been losing dominance. That's okay. Not a lot going on. I'm not going to talk about dominance that much. Just neutral. Sorry, bought at 62.49 on their side. We should be dropping in on dominance a little bit more. Bitcoin futures, where are we closing them at? 12,970. Is that okay? I mean, it's okay for now. We did have a gap. We closed it yesterday. We're closing it again today. 12,970, it's okay. But just keep in mind that right now we're at 12,884. So we're slightly above that. And that's part of the reason that we started to push down the price. We were getting rejection here. CME futures were like, dropping, and we were like dropping with them, right? So we're getting that pressure from the CME futures as well, as long as some bearish divergence. And by the way, did you guys see that article that the CME futures for Bitcoin is the second largest futures Bitcoin market? It's overtaken Binance. So that means there's a lot of institutional investors getting into Bitcoin. On that note, like I said, Bitcoin at $12,981.76. Steve, some of us need to work tomorrow. Oh, I work tomorrow. I'm grilling on Sunday. Well, I'm not working full-time tomorrow. Just I'm going to work a little bit tomorrow. Anyways, higher, right? Lower. Look, we had this feint. I said I didn't believe they're going to play out too much. We moved slightly. Trying to recover again. We're getting consolidation at this level, which is okay. Nothing happening on the daily, right? Nothing else happening on the daily. Just overbought at 39.95. We should be coming down a little bit. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had the bearish divergence. Look at that. Oh, great. Look, we're live here. We did move down slightly more, even slightly more. We got very near the 20. Managed to pop back up, and again, flagging, right? Just sideways motion. That's okay. Not too much happening there. Now, do we have something here? Let's see. 33.21, 30. Slightly less. Higher low, negative momentum. Higher on the RSI. All things are good there, man. Overbought at 72.29 on the RSI. So not a lot happening. Again, it wasn't a super exciting day, right? It was just moving sideways. What we had here? Bullish divergence. When? Earlier today. We didn't catch this live. We caught this one live yesterday. Rallied, dropped slightly lower. That was fine. Hit the 20. What happens every time we hit the 20? We try to look for lower value. Went lower. Went for a 20 again. Went lower again. So bullish divergence strong. Action to the upside. Well, hidden against the RSI here in the longer term, and then shorter term here against the MACD strong. And then that we're getting that movement to the upside, but it's not super strong. We're just getting above the 20 and really failing to take off. We're getting a lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands, which is okay. We're neutral on the RSI at 55.64. The positive momentum is starting to build, so there's a chance we could explode to the upside on the tightness, which would be nice. But again, I hope we get a slow weekend. Just sideways motion, easy going, forming a good support here at this area for the next movement, right? In case we drop back, we'll find support here. That'll be amazing. Anyways, like I said, not a lot going on. Let's go to Ethereum. How do you do the stake, dude? I heard you have to put it with everything on the bag, right? You can put like the rebuy with the butter and the rosemary and garlic, and you just like seal it up and then just toss it in the sous vide, and then you pull it out and then just put it on the grill real quick to get some grill marks and some of that caramelization or Maillard reaction going on, and that's how you're supposed to do it. I'm not sure, dude. I never done sous vide. I wonder if it works if I just grab steak, put it in a Ziploc bag, and throw it in the boiling pot of water. Hey, Phil, how's it going, man? How's the lawn watering coming along? Are you able to get your sprinklers fixed? Okay, so nothing here that's bearish, right? Let's go to the daily first. Bearish divergence, moving down, rejecting 418, that's fine. Flagging, like we said we could do, right? Neutral, bought at 65.25. There's not a lot happening, right? Again, it was a slow day today. What's going on here in the 4 hour? Again, same thing. Sideways motion, dropped a little bit, trying to recover. That's great, man. Not a lot happening. Coming higher, we're positive momentum higher on the RSI. Slight bearish divergence here. That's what's starting to move us down. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. Just bought at 67.28. It's more fun. Water manually? Right. That's cool. You won't have to water after tomorrow. Some rain's gonna hit down. That's awesome, bro. Sunday's gonna be a wake up early day, dude. I think I need to start like the grill at 6 in the morning, so that, like, you know, the ribs have a chance to slow cook. They're really thick, dude. I never cooked ribs that thick before, and I'm worried that I'm gonna need like not just 8 hours of like cooking time, but maybe more. So it's gonna be insane, dude. They're like yay big, maybe, dude. Like really huge, dude. I just pulled the rib slab out of the freezer today. It's good. It's a fair size rib. Trick is consistent temperature. Cooks it amazingly without overcooking it. You just do use Ziploc bags with a sous vide machine in a pot. Some serious good meats come out. Check it out. Yeah, I've seen Guga Foods before. Hey, it's Guga Foods, man! That guy's insane, dude. You're in your Backstone griddle almost every morning. That's awesome, dude. And steaks in the afternoon. Yeah, dude. It's gonna be a good weekend, dude. Sunday though. Fuck, dude. I haven't woken up early to like throw stuff on the grill in a long time. Last time I did was some pork ribs, and they were really good. Last thing I did was 2 weeks ago. I did some beef ribs. They were fairly sized, but I did them fast, hot and fast. And, you know, or high and fast, or however you want to call it. But they're really good, man. They're like super tender, man. I think give me a second. I'll show ye. I'll show ye. But this time I got the whole thing, the whole pack. It's a good chunk of bones that I got there. They're gonna be good, man. So I'm checking some of that real quick. Just give me 1 quick second. Dude, why can I not find this? Where did it go, man? I suck at searching Twitter, man. I want to show something real quick, but I can't. I can't find it. Band to dollar? Yeah, sure, man. We can check out band. No worries. Let me write it down. My band. Band to the dollar, man. It's gonna be a good one. Here it is. I found it. Brian wrote something out, and he posted his steak or whatever. I posted my ribs, dude. They're like this big, dude. That's huge rib, dude. Like, you know, didn't come off the bone really well because, you know, they were done really fast. But they were like super juicy and tender. They had so much fat in them. They're like, you know, 2 racks, and this part came out of the top of one of these racks because that was insane, dude. The amount of meat that they had, like, without that. The meat that they had was with me removing that bigger part. So imagine just another chunk of this size on top of this. It was just huge. It was taking forever to cook. That's why I had to like remove them. And you know, that came here, and then I ended up with this one here on the bottom. So they were like really big. And these ones that I have today, they're about the same size. So but these ones I'm gonna do slow. So I want to get them like really tender, butter tender, and see how we do with that. This is gonna be key. Yeah, dude, they were insanely good, man. I used to grill very often, or queue very often, both. And I haven't done them that often lately, but yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm getting back into it, so gotta shake off the cobwebs. Like, I can find my smoky chips now, so I need to like find them before the weekend. Anyways, yeah, what's happening with Ethereum? Moving down, right? So not a lot. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, Ethereum. The 1 hour Ethereum. We were calling for some bullishness here, right? Last night. We had a little bit more. That's great. Hit that resistance again at 418. Pull back down, right? That's okay. No shame on that. Coming lower every time. Again, nothing else building up here. If anything, we could just drag along this one from here to here. All right, I'll do it in a different line. That way we can keep them going. Keep them going, man. Forgot to change this one on the Bitcoin to yellow, but you know, it's fine. I'll do it post-stream. And going like that, right? Then coming in lower here and creating that hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. That's where we're getting that rally, getting above the 20. About to retest that 1618 and then retest the resistance at 418.31, right? Neutral at 54.28 on the RSI. Once a month for the family barbecue. Yeah, dude. That's what I told my wife. Because I made ribs. Yeah. And then before that, I made like actual pork ribs. I can't remember if I made spare ribs or back ribs, but it was about like a month and a half before that. So yeah, I told my wife that I wanted to get back into like doing something on the grill at least once a month. So that's gonna be good, I guess. So it's gonna be 2 times this month. Yeah, that's gonna be amazing. Like I don't mind doing something hot and fast, or like high and fast, and then do something low and slow the second time, right? That way I play with the techniques. I keep on keeping myself sharp as I keep on grilling, right? Bearish divergence moving to downside neutral at 57.09 on the other side. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're looking for divergence, right? We got it down, bounce. That's great. We hadn't created anything. We have not developed anything yet. Low to high, negative, less negative still, I believe. Yeah, less negative, higher on the other side, neutral at 55.30. And on the 1 hour, we do have some bullish divergence here on XRP. XRP at 25 cents, 25.53 cents. Look at this. Oh, greatness. Oh, greatness on XRP. We have strong bullish divergence, but we're failing to take off. Oh, what a joke. I mean, dude, it's just, I try to make it funny because it's really depressing. Look, we have strong bullish divergence, very well developed. Not against the RSI, just against the MACD. We should be going for a higher pump. We're just hitting the 20 and, like, really, like, failing to burst through it, right? It's just painful to see XRP failing to perform all the time. Neutral at 49.32 on the RSI. Again, not too much to call here. High to low, positive is positive, right? High to low, positive is positive. High on the RSI to lower point. Let's go check out Litecoin. What is happening with the coin of lights? Let's go on the daily. Right, bullish divergence, action to downside. That's what we're expecting. We did manage to pull back up slightly more, so that's fine, right? We just went higher, and then here we're also coming in higher. So we no longer have the bearish divergence that we had yesterday. Great. Sitting at $55.66. Bought at 69.94, but almost overbought. Nothing happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour again. Coming in. Are we going higher? I'm gonna have to zoom in here a lot. What is this opening here? 55.83, 55.82. Man, slightly less. It's just 1 cent off. Here again, you gotta use criteria to determine whether or not you want to call this divergence. It's just 1 cent. It's 1 cent lower. If you don't want to acknowledge it, that's fine. You can say that we're not doing anything. But if you just want to say we're going sideways in the price because a cent doesn't matter, then we will be making a medium bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. On that note, this is notes for tomorrow's meeting. Sorry guys, I do have a mess here. Notes from today's meeting. Okay, this is a coin list. The coin list. All the coin lists that we've done. So right on. Right, there's that potential for action to downside. We'll see though, right? If you remember on Bitcoin, we said we were really outside of the Bollinger Bands. We had to come back in. We did go back in on Bitcoin, right? So I'll shoot that later on, but you know it's normal. We want to come back into the Bollinger Bands. It's just we're 95% of the price movements should be within, right? Within the Bollinger Bands. We have outliers, which is okay, but most of the moves should be contained within the Bollinger Bands. Anyways, bought at 67.71, and that's it. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, I forgot to anchor. Oh, haha, the funny man. He forgot to anchor. Wow. Right, bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We got the small pop. Moving down on bearish divergence. We created bearish divergence post-stream. Look at that. Would you look at that? Doesn't matter where I anchor from here, it's all one island, right? It's one island to less. High to low. Right, that's great. There we go. Higher, less negative, right? And then higher, and then less negative still. Higher and higher. So that's all good. Nothing bearish short term here. Nothing bullish. The last thing we have is this strong bearish divergence that's moving us down. That's about it. Trying to find support here. Try to rally. Let's go check out Binance. Thank you all for being here, by the way. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. What's happening with the Binance? We had the bullish divergence getting above the 20, which is good. Neutral at 59.19 on the RSI, sitting at $30.69. Great, man. Not a lot happening since, so let's go to the 4 hour here. Bearish divergence, right? That's the last thing we called. That was on 22nd, so yesterday. We're live here. We did manage to drop slightly more, still hit that 20. Now try to go for a bounce, but still failing to really take off. Neutral at 54.99 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. By the way, guys, I had a question. Some of you guys might do this. Some of you guys might not do this. But when you buy brisket, what's a good price per pound for brisket? So I never done brisket before. I want to do brisket, and I found someone that sells brisket in Mexico, and it's supposed to be good quality. And it's a 10-pound piece for $40, more or less. So, yeah, a little bit over 10 pounds. I'll tell you in a second how many pounds. £11 for approximately $40. So I'm not sure if that's a good price for brisket. I just wanted to know I'm not gonna get ripped off because I haven't found brisket in Mexico. I found like a good place, like a good butcher that has it. So yeah, that's that, man. I want to do brisket for my next endeavor on the grill. I should call it Crypto Grill. Sorry about that. I should just call it Crypto Grilling or Crypto and Grill, right? Something like that. And then do a crypto show as I'm grilling. That would be amazing. Because brisket takes forever also. Right? Lower, more negative, lower on their side, that's fine. Nothing here. High, lower, right, lower, lower. So nothing bullish, nothing bearish on Binance. It's hitting at the 20, sitting at $30.72. Yay for Binance. Now, let's go check out DVT, and then we'll do Band, and then we'll do ADA. Although Steve hasn't actually said ADA, I know he wants to look at ADA. Because, yeah, why not? ADA Cardano, right? Oh, dude, DVT taking a drop. That's not good. I didn't want to see this. AVA! Alright, man. I'm not sure what AVA is, but we'll look at AVA. Oh, you meant ADA. Alright, cool. I actually even wrote it down, dude. Now I just have to scratch it. Right on. So, what are we doing here? Are we doing something bullish? Coming lower, less negative momentum, that's fine. Higher on the RSI, that's fine. We do have some bullish divergence here, right? So from here to here. Again, here, it's hard to look at the MACD because it's just all reads at 0. Coming lower, and then definitely going higher, right? Even from any of these points, from here to here. And strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Now, let's go to the 4-hour and see if we have anything there. Coming lower, less negative momentum. Again, that strong bullish divergence, right? Look at that, boom. Oh, look at this. Wow. Don't have it against the RSI, that's fine. We're oversold at 28.54. We do have some strong bullish divergence. There's a chance for a U-turn here on DVT. So we have strong bullish against the against the RSI on the 1-hour, against the MACD on the 4-hour, and then on the daily we still have the same bullish divergence here. Here where we haven't developed anything new. Then from here to here. So with that, we're looking for potential action to the upside. That's great. New negative momentum island starting to develop. Technically still higher. Again, we could fail to drop and interpret that as bullish, and then go on a rally. That's gonna be it for DVT again. Let's go check out Band. Cause these chicks don't even know the name of my band, man. What was happening with Band? Last time we called those bullish. I'm not sure if we looked at this then, but you know, that's the last line I have was bullish. Rallied, came lower, and then started to reject. That's fine. Now, are we doing something here? Not that I can see, right? Again, just probably consolidating at this level. So you get $5.97. Neutral at 44.67 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. We did call Band on October the 12th. So bearish divergence. Actually, to the downside, we moved down since and moved down again on that. Coming in lower than the previous low on the 4-hour, right? So let's look at this. On the 4-hour, man. Bullish divergence. What? Yes, nothing against the RSI, just against the MACD. We got the nice rally happening. On that rally, we created the hidden bearish. Oh no, that's why we're moving down, man. That's wow, we're moving down, Captain. All right, look at that. And even here, going slightly higher. So, Band has some of this hidden bullish divergence, and probably why we're moving down on it. Hitting the 20, trying to find support. We're just being cradled more or less by it. And we're rejecting lower areas of value, so there's a chance we could try to go on a bounce from the 20. But we need to get above it still, right? I think we're just on it right now. Neutral at 48.07 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, what do we have? Coming in lower. And negative. That's negative. On the RSI, it doesn't matter. We're going lower. So strong bullish. In that rally, then that second rally, creating bearish divergence there, right? From here to here. From here to here. Even from here to here, we had some kind of bearish divergence, right? So from here to here. All right, first we had hidden bearish. That's fine. We even have it against the RSI. Then we don't have it here against the RSI, but we have that strong bearish. We move down, hit that 20, took a bounce. That's great. Now, do we go higher? Yeah. Are we making higher highs on the previous side? No. Lower, right on that MACD. Look at that. Positive. Less positive as we are coming higher. There we go. So action to the downside. We're moving down. Don't have it against the RSI. That's great. Moving down. Awesome. The strong bullish divergence developing here in the short term. Look at that. From here to here. From here to here. From here to here. Now, what's causing this weird bounce here and rejection of the 20? Some hidden bullish. From here to here. From here to here. Right. From here to here. Right. So hidden bullish. Right, took the bounce, rejected the 20, pulled back down, created strong bullish, going to the 20, trying to get above it. Right now, we are getting above the 20 on the 1-hour chart, but we're really failing to take off right now. Neutral at 50.56. That's it for Band. Now, let's do Cardano. After that, we'll do RSR. Yeah, why not? Sounds like a plan, bro. It's having on the daily. Bearish divergence, actually downside, rejecting 382. That's fine. Again, we don't have anything else going on. Neutral at 57.10 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we managed to go higher. We came higher, and did we go higher than here? I gotta check. 65.53. 65.26 less. It's less, man. I think yesterday we were like duking it out. That's probably why we didn't have anything drawn here. We are going slightly higher. And we are coming lower here slightly, right? So bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. We move down, hit that 20, trying to find support. Neutral, 54.62 on their side. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low on their side to a higher point. Nothing bullish. Let's go on the 1 hour. Bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. We called that one out yesterday. We're live somewhere around here. Taking a bounce to the 20. Failing to go higher than the previous high. Interpret that as being bearish. Bring down on that, rejecting the 20, moving lower. Great, man. Now, do we have something here? Yeah, we have something that can save us. Oh, yes, we do. Look at this. 1 hour, right? Boom. Boom. And, boom. Strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. Getting above the 20. That's great, man. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, by the way, Steve, dude, do you watch a lot of Guga's videos, man? He has like 2. He has sous vide everything. And then he has his grilling show, which I think is just Guga food, where he grills meat all the time. He does some amazing stuff, dude. He has some crazy, crazy ideas. I think he deep fried Wagyu beef once. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, he's cool. I agree. He is cool, man. Anyways, that's Cardano, man. Right? Getting above the 20. Starting to move down. About to retest for support at the 20. We'll see what we're going to do there. Neutral at 52.81 on the RSI. On that note, let's go check out RSR, man. I actually wanted to do my wife wanted me to do a cooking show before. I just don't have the time to actually do it, man. I was, taping myself, like doing some dough for pasta, actually making the pasta, rolling it out, made the sauce, and then some friends arrived for like lunch, and then I stopped recording, so I didn't finish that one, and I just haven't recorded anything else since. I wanted to make pizza, grilling, a lot of grilling techniques. So yeah, dude, I do want to do some stuff with food. I think that it has a lot of views on YouTube. I just haven't really gotten the time to sit down and do it, and I don't know how to edit videos, by the way. So that's why I do live streams, right? That way I don't have to edit, but I'm gonna have to learn how to edit and how to get proper takes, etc. Maybe in December I'll buy a camera and I'll be able to use it for that. So I was taping myself with the phone, but I want to get like a good, Canon camera. Oh, dude, RSR, what are you doing? Okay, we're going higher on the daily. We don't have a lot to go on, right? We're going higher. Everything's good here. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're looking for bearish divergence to here. Yeah, we could go to there still, and then we still have it, right? So from here to here, from here to here, right? Bearish divergence. Action to downside. Moving down on that. Going for the 20. Trying to find support and going to bounce. Sitting bought at 61.63, which is okay. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour. Oh, snap. I forgot the anchor. There we go. So 1 hour chart. There we go. All right. So we had bearish divergence. That's what we broke down to begin with. And then we went slightly higher still. And by that time we were still creating bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. And on that note we moved down. Oh no. Rejected that 15-cent area. Which we knew could be resistance. We did face it as resistance, right? Then became support slightly. Then we used it as support again, right? Then resistance, and then we're breaking down. That's okay with RSR. I'm not super weirded out by it. Now we're creating some strong bullish divergence here from here to here. from here to here. And we don't have it here against the RSI. Going up, hitting that 52.94 on the RSI, so neutral. We have bullish divergence, that's what we're rallying. Getting over the 20, tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. If we're getting an explosive move, we could be getting above that 15-cent area and hitting target at 382, right? That was my target for this. 1.69 cents. That's what I will be targeting for this project. Yo, that's it. So there's no other requests. I'm gonna start doing, gold and silver stocks. Let me know if you guys want to look at something. That's the game, right? You let me know. I'll check it out, right? Let's go here for gold. Rejection of the previous all-time high at 1,922. Right now, new all-time high is at 2,065. We're rejecting that area above the 20 still, or breaking below 20 briefly. That's all fine. The last thing we had was strong bullish divergence. Waiting for that to finish playing out. Silver at $24.95 per ounce. One higher, rejecting the 1618 right now, but still above the 20. That's okay. Last thing we had was a strong bullish. Sorry, not strong, hidden bullish. And we're running with that. Let's go check out the Dow. Down 28 points. Still above the 20. 28,335 points. The US 30 at 28,315 points. We did drop 76 cents still at post market, so that's fine. S&P 3,465, gaining 11 points. That's okay. Taking a bounce at the 20. We still have the bearish divergence that could bring us down. London down 78 points. Wow. We got rid of whatever kind of hidden bullish we wanted to do, and we no longer have divergence. Isn't that great? London losing 78 points at 8,438 points total. Nikkei 23,516 points, gaining 42 points. Come on, change. Load up. There we go. Getting over the 20 briefly. Last thing we have was bearish divergence. Still waiting on that. Toronto up 24 points, sitting at 16,304 points. Bearish divergence. Moving down. Taking a rally, hitting 20. About to determine whether or not we're going to get above that area. What's happening with oil? West Texas. $39.46. What? Rejecting the 20. Wow, below the 20 right now. Dude, not good. Brent oil. I think it looks similar. Yep. Below 20 still. At $41.66. Not a lot going on, right? Steve S. I left a chart in Discord. It's a mess and not the best chart. But you can see it there. In Trading View, it's ICV3. Yeah, sure, man. We can leave that. It's not here. Yeah, Jake corrected you. Yeah, it is a token, not a coin. We looked at this before, right? At 51 cents. You said you made some good dough on this, I think, right? Isn't that what you told me? They had gotten in here very cheap and you run into the upside. I'm not sure, dude. We'll try to get some indicators out here. Oxyov 3. I cannot search. Oh, dude, that sucks. Oh, let's get the MACD and the RSI. Make it green columns. Oh, snap. It went up. There we go. You bought it in around 40 cents. Did you get out of this? Because it's at 52 cents right now. And I know you made us look at this when it was like going up here. And you were like super stoked. So I'm not sure if you exited this on time. Sitting at 52 cents right now. Some bearish divergence, right? Like that. We don't have it against the RSI, that's fine. On that, we started to move down. Fell to rally, dropped, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low, head to a lower point. Then going higher, that's fine. Nothing here I can see on this chart. I'm going to go to the 4 hour because the 60 minute looks good. Let's check out the 4 hour. Yeah, dude, you did well. You could have exited up here at $1.97 and done better, man. But yeah, you did good, man. You know, no complaints. Right, I can work with this. Look at this. So from here to here. Oh snap! It's not letting me draw. Really? Okay, now it's becoming shitty, dude. Remember, I have problems with these charts on these places. Now it's not letting me draw, but you're gonna have to imagine down what I say and think about it. But low, higher, area, low, right? So higher, low. Come on, dude. Low, higher, right, and then a point on the RSI to a lower point, right? So creating that hidden bullish, and we should be taking a rally. Maybe that's why we're stalling here. High to low, and then high to low. Everything else is good. So that's about it, though. There's not a lot going on here on the 4 hour. We just do have this hidden bullish to play with. And then on the 24 hour, I doubt we're going to have anything. Yeah, on the 24 hour, we don't have jack still, so. Don't remind you, dude. I'm not trying to remind you, dude. I'm just saying, you know. Look, I'll tell you something. Utah Trading View now has Uniswap tokens. I'm not sure, dude. I'll check it out again. Look, I'll tell you what you could have done, right? Not what you should do, by any means. What you could have done. I know it's high risk, high reward. Look, man. You get in here at 40 cents, right? Like somewhere around here. It goes insanely to the upside, right? You place a take profit below current price, right? So it would be like a stop loss. So if the price is up here at like 250, right? You place your take profit here at 225, maybe even 2, right? So when that drops past there, you take profit at 2. You don't care. You already secured your profit. Even if it bounces here, you don't care. You already secured profit. Let's say you would have even secured profit here at 154, right? That would have been a realistic target. In case you want to wait to see if it was going to bounce the next day, you put your take profit there. And then you don't write it down. You take profit here and you buy back in at the lower price, right? So if you start getting into that idea of like taking profit, materializing it, you're never going to lose money. You can like lose on opportunities, but you're not going to lose money because you're taking profits, right? So long as you take profits, you stay healthy. So, but you could have done something at least to, like, you know, preserve some of your wealth on the trade, or preserve some of your returns on your trade, instead of just taking, like, you still took doubles. You know, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Like, you took 120% or something like that, or yeah. So it should be good, right? But you know, yeah, good stuff. Let's see if I can see this in Trading View, dude. Can't see it here, man. Not even crypto, so. Yeah, actually, I'm not here, bro. You're a farmer, seeing stars, then had to bail. Yeah. But that's why that strategy is there for, right? You put your take profits, and then you just execute them, right? Spotify ads. Let's play something else. Do y'all want to look at something else? Let me know. It's do or die. I know you're going to call it an early night, Steve, so, I don't want to keep you guys around if, there's nothing else we're going to be looking at. There's always tomorrow. We're going to look at other stuff tomorrow. Again, this is Dead of Crypto, right? I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Friday night. I hope you're having a great time. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you found that educational. If you didn't find it educational, that's fine. At least find it entertaining. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Don't be strangers. Now, talk to crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Like I said, instead of crypto, pleasure being here with you guys tonight. And on that note, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, right? Until then.